Hey YouTube, this is PrimetimePokemon. In this video, I'll be opening up a Deoxys box. I bought this box from my local Walmart and it was $15.98. Inside this box, you get an awesome figure of Deoxys, an oversized Deoxys EX card, a special promo Druddigon card, and then 3 black and white series booster packs. So I'll open the box up and then I'll show you each of those things. I can show the Druddigon card first. So here's the Druddigon Promo Card. It's a holographic card. Show you the figurine next. So there it is, Deoxys. The jumbo-sized Deoxys EX. I'll have to really put that back there. Deoxys EX. So it's jumbo-sized card. And then 3 black and white series booster packs. It looks like the 3 newest sets. So there's a Plasma Freeze, Plasma Storm, and Boundaries Crossed. So I'll do oldest to newest, and I'll start with Boundaries Crossed. Okay, set that code card aside, and I give away those code cards on my blog every single day. Okay, so the first card in this box is a Meowth. There's an Oddish, Gothita, Mienfoo, Skitty, Tranquil, Gothorita, Skarmory. Reverse Holo is a Snorlax, which is an uncommon reverse holo. First rare of the box is a Lilligant, which is a non-holo rare card. So first pack in this Deoxys box, not that great. Hoping to improve the pulls in this Plasma Storm pack. Okay, first card in this Plasma Storm pack is Patrat. There's a Trubbish, Rufflet, Combee, Zubat, Rotom, Trubbish, Piloswine, Plasma Energy, that's a reverse holo, and then the rare in the pack is a Garbodor. And that's the holographic card. So there's 3 packs in this box. That'll mean I'll get at least average pulls out of these 3 packs. So on to the last pack is a Plasma Freeze pack. Okay, first card is a Horsey. There's a Yamask, Weedle, Eevee, Trico, Bisharp, Metang, Noctowl, Floatstone, which is an uncommon reverse holo, and then the last rare card in this Deoxys box is another Team Plasma card. It is a Vanillux, non-holo rare. So out of the 3 packs, Boundaries Crossed, Plasma Storm, and Plasma Freeze, pulled 1 holographic card, so average pulls overall. Again, I did get this from Walmart for $15.98. So thanks everyone for watching. Before you go, make sure and check out all the links in the video description below, my blog, Facebook, and Twitter links, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.